Continuing here, let's go ahead and change a few other things. First of all, let's change the colors of these buttons here because I don't quite like these colors here. So double click here and first button, the previous one here. Let's go to color or background, I should say. Let's go and find a color. I'm going to use that accent color there. Say OK. Voila, I can see. Do the same thing to these other ones. And voila. Okay, so it's looking really good. The next thing we want to do here is I want to change the background color of the entire view. I want to change the background to a different color. So what I'm going to do here, let's go to text, and we are going to do that ourselves. I'm going to, inside of Android support constraint, I'm going to say Android background add color. Let's use this primary dark for now so you can see how this will look. Go to design, there's that color there, which I'm not very crazy about. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to change our colors resources. So down here, the resources here, I have already a few colors that I have picked out. I'm going to go ahead, I already have those colors. I'm going to just copy all of them. So I'm going to copy all of them and paste it all of them there. So now we have all of these different colors. So what I did here, I changed the theme of the entire application for that matter. Every time I come to color primary, primary dark, and color accents, these are the colors we're going to be using now. So we can find these colors online if you just say, are you looking for hex colors for Android development or some sort? And we will get into that more details when we talk about theming and all that stuff. Very good. So we have all these colors here. Now, if you just save everything and go back to our activity, notice now everything changed. But this color is still the color that I don't want to have as the backdrop. So I can come down here and change it as well. Instead of a primary, I'm going to say color primary, this one here. Okay, let's go back down here. All right, so I like that much better. Let's go ahead and give it a quick run here so we can hopefully see. Looks like I don't have. I'm going to have to run one again. And after a few seconds, voila, we can see it looks much, much better. Okay, it's pretty aggressive, but I like the way it looks. Very good. So the user interface is coming along. And I think it's time for us to actually go back and start looking at the logic, the code, and start getting all of these actually working. So let's go ahead and do that in the next video.